Dear students, grade 5, we are going to complete our module 1, and this time we are going to talk about lesson 1B. Lesson 1B, which is titled as Risky Jobs. Here we are going to speak about jobs. And let's start with the new vocab. The first one is bank clerk. Bank clerk. Look at the picture. He is a bank clerk. He's an accountant who works in a bank. He's a bank clerk. The next one, dentist. Dentist. Look at the picture. My father is a dentist. He looks after people's teeth. He treats people's teeth. A dentist. The next, receptionist. Receptionist. Look at the picture. She is a receptionist. When you are working in a reception, you are a receptionist who answers telephone calls or who gives information to people on the phone. This is a receptionist. A receptionist always works in hotels. The next one, coach. Coach or trainer. He is the coach. He trains these kids to play American football. So he is the coach who trains or let the children to practice a sport or players to practice a sport is called a coach. The next one, reporter. Reporter. Who is a reporter? Look at the picture. This is a reporter. A reporter works for a newspaper or a TV program to tell the news and find reports and send reports to newspapers. Next, firefighter. Firefighter. And it has another name, fireman. Who is a firefighter or a fireman? He is a firefighter. He puts out fire and saves people from danger. He's a firefighter. Next one, storm chaser. This is a very dangerous job. It's a risky job. Who is a storm chaser? A storm chaser is someone or person who follows storms to photograph them, to take a picture of storms, hurricanes, tornadoes, and these phenomena. These are storm chasers. They are trying to take photos of a storm or a hurricane. Next, lawyer. Lawyer. Look at the picture. He is a lawyer. He defends people and advises people about the law. Next, war photographer. War photographer. If there is a war, there are some photographers who goes with the army to take photos of the war. So these are war photographers. Somebody who takes photos of a war zone, who goes to a place where there is a war and tries to take photos or take pictures of what happens in the fighting area or zone. This is a war photographer. Next, hurricane. Hurricane. What is a hurricane? It's a strong storm and there is also thunder, lightning, a lot of rain with this storm. If there's a storm with a lot of rain, thunder, lightning, we call this, all these phenomena, hurricane. Next, tornado. Tornado. It's a kind of storms too, but look at the picture. This storm spins around in a circle. And this is a dangerous storm which can take out trees or houses from its position or location. This is a tornado. Next, lightning strike. It's like electric strike. Look at this picture. This is a lightning strike. A light comes from the sky or from the upper area, and it has electric shots which can affect people. Lightning strike. Police officer. Police officer. It's a risky job too. He is a police officer. He helps people and defends them and try to save them from crime and so on. The next, let's practice about these vocab. First one, choose the correct answer. Let's see the first question. Number one, a person who teaches in a school is called a teacher, carpenter, or plumber. Very clever. He is a teacher. A person who teaches in a school is called a teacher. It's called a teacher. The next, my tooth hurts. I have to see the doctor, the nurse, or the dentist. Think about it. Very clever. If your teeth hurt, my teeth hurts, so I have to see the dentist who looks after people's teeth or try to treat them. The next one, I'd greatly like to work in a bank, so I'll join the Faculty of Commerce to be a bank clerk, teacher, or bank cleaner. So the choices are bank cleaner, teacher, or bank clerk. Think about it. If you want to work in a bank, you will be very clever. Bank clerk. I'd greatly like to work in a bank, so I'll join the Faculty of Commerce to be a bank clerk. Very clever. The next one. I love Egypt. I would like to be a space to arrest the thieves and looters. Who can arrest thieves? Police officer, police station, police. So think about it. Excellent. Police officers do that. So the correct answer is I love Egypt. I'd like to be a police officer to arrest the thieves and looters. The next one. A space puts out the fire and rescues people. Who can put out fires and rescue people? A fire station, a fire person, or a fireman? Very clever. A fireman can do that. So the correct answer is a fireman puts out the fires and rescues people. Thanks. Goodbye.